bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with sticks and stones.
Hi guys. Okay, I have not made some bath bombs in a very long time, and I'm making this bath bomb because I have a follower on my Instagram who is a parent, and this is the month for autism, and the colors that she should suggested are the three colors that I have here: the red, the yellow, and the blue. And I'm gonna make a bath bomb centered around this awareness. So I wanted to make the bath bomb like I usually do in this cookie cutter, but I don't think this cookie cutter is big enough for my for the puzzle. So this bath bomb here, anyways, let me tell you the ingredients in this. This is like this is my cocoa butter bath bomb, and the ingredients is baking soda, citric acid, cream of tartar, SLSA, cocoa butter of course, fractionated coconut oil, polysorbate 20, and my fragrance. I'm using my Crafter's Choice fragrance. I'm using from Windy Point. Sorry, not Crafter's Choice. Sorry, Windy Point from Canada. Pineapple, mango, and Coco Cabana, and Jamaica Me Crazy. Anyway, so this is pretty ready. It's gonna be such a simple bath bomb, and I'm using my if you can see that, I'm using my round cup here that I measure my oh my god, I forgot to do one thing. My goodness. Oh, I'm always forgetting something. Totally did not remember. We'll see how this works out since I forgot that. I'm supposed to spray this stupid thing with 99% rubbing alcohol so it can stick really well to the bath bomb. Use this to press it down.
Will all fall down, my fair lady. Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay, my fair lady. Wood and clay will wash away, wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady. Build it up.
Ah, it fell apart. I know why it fell apart. I know why. Because I pressed too hard. See that? Okay. Maybe I shouldn't use that thingy there. Okay. I have to do this again, and you know what? I will use that. I will use it. Let's go ahead and wet this bath bomb because I do not want to keep losing. Oops. I don't want to keep losing a. Let's try a red one. A red. And next time, don't press so hard. Just gonna go ahead and spritz that. See what I'm doing? You can see what I am doing here.